All right, growers, let's get into the nitty-gritty, or should I say, the itty-bitty. Today we're talking bacteria, the smallest, most underrated legends in your garden. Now I know what you're thinking. Bacteria? Aren't those the bad guys? Nah, not these ones. These are the good guys, the unsung heroes flipping nutrient burgers underground so your plants can chow down. In fact, you should be thanking bacteria every time your plants don't fall over and die. Without them, your soil's a bag of rocks. With them, it's a 5-star buffet. So here's how it works. Bacteria are the first responders in the soil food web. They show up early, multiply fast, and start breaking down raw organic matter into plant-ready nutrients. Let's say you add some compost or mulch, or just drop a dead leaf on your soil. Bacteria swarm that stuff like it's a Black Friday sale. They break it down, digest it, and in the process, lock up nutrients inside their tiny little bodies. But wait, we're not done. This is where the magic happens. Protozoa and other micropredators come in, eat the bacteria, and boom, that digestion process releases those locked up nutrients right into the soil in a plant-available form. It's like a microscopic poop chain that your plants live off of. You heard me. Bacteria eat, get eaten, and poop out gold. That's the cycle. It's gross. It's beautiful. It's the truth. Now, not all bacteria are created equal. You've got your nitrogen fixers, like rhizobium, that team up with legumes and literally pull nitrogen out of the air and into your soil. You've got phosphate solubilizers that unlock phosphorus, and you've got decomposers that clean up after everything else. And let's not forget the biocontrol bacteria, like Bacillus subtilis. These little warriors fight off pathogens before they can mess with your roots. Think of them like bodyguards for your rhizosphere. So how do you grow more of these guys? Simple. You feed the soil, not just the plant. Add compost. Use compost teas. Throw in some unsulfured molasses to give them sugar. Mulch your topsoil so the biology has a steady buffet. And keep synthetic salts and chemical pesticides to a minimum. Those will knock your bacteria flat. And here's the thing. Bacteria thrive in bacterial-dominant soils. Think fast-growing annuals like veggies, leafy greens, and, yep, you guessed it, cannabis. Especially in the veg stage, your plant loves a thriving bacterial population. Fast food nutrients, on demand. Hit that root zone with a microbial-rich tea, and you'll see what I mean. Green, explosive growth, like the plant's been hitting the gym. Bottom line, you don't grow alone. You've got billions of microscopic chefs in your corner. Treat them right, and they'll keep your roots fed, protected, and thriving. And that's just one part of the crew. Next up, the underground webmasters, fungi. These guys don't just cook the food, they deliver it straight to the door. Stay tuned, we're just getting warmed up.